Hello and welcome to this new video on how to sync OneDrive to your PC or computer. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. You just have to look on the bottom right hand side of your taskbar of your PC. There will be a cloud icon. So you just need to click on that cloud icon, and when you hover around that cloud icon, it will say OneDrive. So just click on it and a pop-up box will open right in front of your screen. Now you just have to look on the top right hand side of that pop-up box. There will be setting button. Just click on the setting button and another small pop-up box will appear right in front of your screen. And you just have to click on the settings button once more. And when you're inside the settings section or the setting interface, you just have to click on the sync and backup tab, and you will be able to access sync and backup tab. And when you're inside sync and backup section, there will be manage backup button. So you just have to click on that manage backup button, and manage backup section will be appeared right in front of you, and there will be 5 different options. They are document, pictures, desktop, music and videos. So you just have to enable or turn on all the buttons for all these 5 different topics, and when you have turned on, then you will be able to sync OneDrive to the computer. So this is how you can easily sync OneDrive to computer. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.